Now, hello! I'm going to do a review of my mom and dad's eureka multi-size Klondike. It's pretty nice. I'll tell you the features. Has a standard upholstery brush. Has an extension tube and crevice tool. Has a brush. See that? Has a brush. And crevice tool, the second ones. Yeah. It's got the height adjustments. It's got 5 height adjustments. So, it's got the height adjustments. So it's engineered to reach under furniture. It's got the canister. It's also under here. So, I'll give you the back. Sorry about the sound. It's not like my other ones where you push that down, pull it forward, you have to unwind it. It's another speaker. It's got short airflow. And then it's got sound floors that you turn it, and that's cool. So it lets air flow through the hose then. Floors, it lets it suck through this. There's no turn on and off, but it's set to middle right now.
Here.
That was just a very short review on the Eureka. Oh, airspeed 1, and it says proven to clean carpets better than the #1 selling bagless upper. Reviews. Oh, and it has a foot. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye bye. Bye bye. Hey, don't